Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to divide unit fractions by whole number. A unit fraction is a fraction whose numerator is 1. For instance, 1 over 10 is a unit fraction because the numerator is 1. 1 over 9 is a unit fraction because the numerator is 1. 1 over 5 is a unit fraction because the numerator is 1. Now, how do you divide unit fractions by whole numbers? Let's look at this question. For you to do this question, you write 1 over 8 again, okay? And then you write division again. Then you write this 3 as a fraction. 3 is the same thing as 3 over 1, okay? Then you write this 1 over 8 again. Then you change division to multiplication. Then you flip this fraction. When you flip 3 over 1, 1 will go up and become the numerator over, then 3 will come down and become the denominator. Then you multiply the numerators we have here. So you do 1 times 1. That gives you 1 over, you multiply the denominators. So you do 8 times 3. That gives you what? 24. So the answer becomes 1 over what? 24. Let's look at the next one. To do this question, you have to write this fraction again. So you write 1 over 10 again, and then you write division again. Then you write this 5 as a fraction. You will agree with me that 5 is the same thing as 5 over 1. Then you write 1 over 10 again, okay? Then you change this division to multiplication, and then you flip 5 over 1. When you flip 5 over 1, 1 will go up and become the numerator over, then 5 will come down and become the denominator. Then you multiply the numerators that we have here. So you do 1 times 1, that gives you 1 over, multiply the denominators, so you do 10 times 5, that gives 50. So the answer becomes 1 over 50. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, do well to hit the subscribe button. Have a great day.